Hello and welcome to Simple Science. Are you feeling a little stressed out today? I've got the perfect experiment for you. Today we're making DIY bath bombs. The materials needed for this experiment are a bowl, a cup, some measuring cups, a bath bomb mold if you have it. If not, you can just use a silicone mold, whatever you have. Some baking soda, cornstarch, citric acid, Epsom salt, baby oil, or you could use almond oil, whatever kind of oil you have at the house, and then some essential oils, any kind of your preference, some food coloring, and some water. Your first step is going to be mixing in all of your dry ingredients. So you're gonna need 1 full cup of baking soda, and then half a cup of your citric acid, your cornstarch, and your Epsom salt. And then just go ahead and give it a quick stir. Your next step is going to be adding in all of your liquid ingredients into your cup, starting with 2½ tablespoons of your baby oil, and then 2 1/4 teaspoons of water, and then depending on how strong you want your bath bomb to be, anywhere between 12 to 15 drops of your essential oil. I'm using eucalyptus. And then the last one is going to be your food coloring. Again, as many drops as you want. And then just give it a quick stir. Now you're gonna wanna slowly pour it into your dry materials and then mix it super quick as you're doing that. You're gonna have to mix it with your hands just so it gets a little bit more finely mixed. Once you're done mixing, it should have the consistency of wet sand. That's how you know you're ready to put it into your molds. So just pack it on both sides and then let it sit for about 24 hours. Again, make sure you're letting your bath bomb sit for about 24 hours before it's ready to use. I made this one yesterday, so we're gonna test it out. Stress be gone, bombs away. I hope y'all had fun today, and we'll see you next time. Bye.